Let's talk about something really important: how to make sure your cyber insurance claim doesn't get denied. Here's a quick story. In 2022, a company in Illinois called ICS had a data breach. They thought they were covered because they had cyber insurance with travelers. But when they filed a claim, it turned out they hadn't used multi factor authentication like they were supposed to. Travelers ended up canceling their policy, leaving ICS in a tough spot. More businesses are getting cyber insurance because it's a smart way to reduce risk and gain a competitive edge. But with premiums going up 62% last year alone, you really want to make sure your claim gets paid if you need it. So why do claims get denied? Rusty Goodwin from Midstate Group says most claims that get denied are self-inflicted wounds. It's usually not because insurance companies are being tricky. It's because businesses make mistakes or forget to update their insurers about changes. Here are 4 simple things you can do to prevent this from happening to you. Number 1, find a knowledgeable broker. Insurance policies can be a nightmare to understand with all the legal jargon. You need to get familiar with key parts of your policy, like the deductible, total costs, liability limits, and the conditions you need to meet. Work with a broker who knows cyber insurance inside out. Avoid those who don't specialize in it. They might not give you the best advice. Number 2, understand the conditions insurance companies will pay out if you meet the conditions of the contract. This usually means things like using MFA, password managers, making regular backups, and training your employees on cybersecurity. A lot of claims get denied because businesses don't understand these conditions. 3, make good on your promises. It's like getting a discount on your home insurance because you say you have an alarm system, but then you never install it. If you promise to use MFA or do regular training and then don't, your claim can get denied. Make sure you follow through on these commitments. And lastly, 4, communicate clearly with your MSP. A big mistake is assuming your managed service provider, MSP, knows all about your insurance promises. Often they don't because nobody told them. Regularly review your policy and make sure your MSP is in the loop so they can help you meet your obligations. With a good broker and by keeping your promises, you can ensure your cyber insurance claim gets paid when you need it most. Stay safe out there and make sure your business is covered.